If your natural hair is not shiny, not healthy, and it's always breaking whenever you comb it, this method is what I use to stop hair breakage for I and my baby. So you get a natural aloe vera, scrape it out, open it, and bring out the gel. This mixture will make your hair healthy. You see less breakage when you are combing it. It can even activate your coils if you are the type that have natural coils already. So this is how I maintain my own hair and my children's hair, because all of us have natural hair at home. So you scrape out the gel from the aloe vera, put it in a deep container because you're going to mix some things into the aloe vera. In this video I use the leave-in conditioner. I'm supposed to use wash out conditioner. I don't have it, so I use the one available. If you have oils like coconut oil, almond oil, you can add also, or even palm kernel oil. I do not add oil because I have none available. So if you have your own, add oils. Just bring the hair closer, section it into 4 so that it will be easier for you to apply the mixture on the hair. So after sectioning the hair into 4 parts, you apply the mixture to the hair. You will apply it as if you are applying relaxer. Yes, if you have applied relaxer on your hair before, you understand what I'm talking about. So you apply it like you are applying relaxer. You massage it into the hair. This is my daughter, so she was not cooperating that much, so I have to just do the hair sharp for her. So if you're doing it on your own adult hair, you have to take your time, massage it into your hair properly. After massaging, you cover it with shower cap for some time, like 10 to 15 minutes, so that the ingredients will now marinate into your hair. This will help your hair to absorb the mixture and strengthen it. Please remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if this is the first time of coming across my channel. I appreciate your support. So don't mind the thing is messy, you see. That's why we are sitting outside, because I know my baby will be running up and down. Children are hyperactive, don't mind that. So you massage it so well. Look at the hair. Look at how healthy, long and strong her hair is. This is her natural hair. Look at it. Look at the coiliness. Are you seeing it? That is also how my hair is. Then you massage it so well. Cover it. Comb it out. Yes, see? Comb it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at how her hair is drawing me back. Look at how healthy the hair is. This mixture will make your hair shiny. It will give strength to your hair. You see? Comb it out. Section it and comb. That's why I say section it, so that it will be easier for combing. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the drawiness of the aloe vera. You see? It's also cleaning the hair. If you're the type that have dirtiness and dandruff in your hair, it cleans your hair and make it healthy and clean also. So after covering it for a while, you wash it out and apply your leave-in conditioner or any other hair mixture you might have at home. Try this exercise at least once in a month when you lose a hair. If you carry your hair for a long time, you lose it. Just treat your hair every month whenever you remove a protective style from your hair. Don't go back and start making a new hair without giving your hair food. Do you understand? So after I comb it out, look at it. Look at how full my baby hair is. You see, it's asked her to turn, you see, so that I can see it properly. Oh my God, my shakara is too much. So I have washed the hair. You see, I don't want to show her face because she wrote my camera. So I have washed the hair. Thank you for watching. See you next time.